Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing my second review about this Firevip platform. I did the first video earlier, if you haven't watched it, about how to sign up and invest and start earning with the Firevip platform. So if you haven't watched that video, you can quickly check the video description box to see the link to the first video so that you can watch it and know what this is all about. So without wasting much time, in today's video I'm going to be talking more in depth about this platform and their NFC token. So this is where you can see the total NFC that you have. So this is it, and I just sold mine few minutes ago, so that is why this place is showing sellable NFC 0. So without before going more in depth, let me quickly brief you guys what the NFC token. NFC token is the base currency, or let me say the base coin for the Firevip network. So it's like their crypto coin for the project. And for the platform now, for my account, you can see this is my own balance, 30,095 naira. So one NFC is an equivalent to one naira, one Nigerian naira. And you can see for every dashboard, for every renting machine that you purchase on the platform, you earn your normal credible account balance, and you also earn in the NFC coin. Let me show you what I mean. When you go to rent, here you can see the ad machines available. I already have the A-level ad machine purchased, so with that I earn a total of 200. This is my A-level ad machine, so my total earning is 600, but I earn, you can see, I earn 400 in NFC, and my daily revenue is 200 naira. So what this means is that every day I earn a total of 600 naira, but 200 naira is variable revenue that I earn daily in naira, while the 400 is NFC token. Now on the platform, their NFC token, before I go to that, let me show you. So other miners, this is the B level, cost is 16,000. Now 16,000, when you click on it, you see the daily revenue is 851, and the NFC token that you earn from this miner is 1,702. That's daily. So in a total, you should be earning up to 2,000. You should be earning up to 2,005 every day if you are having this miner. And same goes for the C level miner. The daily revenue 2,256 naira, and the NFC token 4,512. Joined together, that's about 6,700 naira every single day. Now one thing you should know about the platform, about the NFCs here, is that the NFCs you earn on the platform are being locked. When I say locked, you don't have access to view to sell them immediately. So as you can see, this is locked and they are yet to be released. This is a sellable NFC, which is the amount of NFC that is available for me to exchange on the platform. So these NFCs are, they actually get released every day. A certain percentage of what you accumulate here is being sent to being released to this sellable NFC, which at the end you can either sell to the platform here or you sell to the institution. But either way, you are still selling your NFC on the platform, and once you do, you automatically get funded in your main account balance, which is over here. So my income today is 1,191 because I just sold my NFC coin few minutes ago. So if you want to sell your NFC, I'm going to show you guys how to do that towards the end of this video, how to sell your NFC on the platform, and how to release more of your NFC on the platform. So if you want to read more on this platform, read more about the NFCs, you can come here. You click white paper. You can see this white paper here. So when you click on white paper, it's going to when you click on white paper, it's going to open up a new interface for you. Here you get more information about the Firevip project, the NFC token, and everything you need to know about the project background and all that. So you ensure you read this and read to the very end to understand what this platform is actually about and how they go about uh, their businesses. So with that said, let me quickly show you guys how to sell your NFC. Let me show you guys how to sell your NFC to the platform. So if you want to sell, okay, before I show you guys how to sell, let me show you how to release your NFC. So one method you can use to release your NFC is by referral. Now when you click on this release quickly, you see the instructions. So NFCs, 0.2% of your NFCs are released every day. So every day you earn 0.2%. Now when you invite your friends and you have a referral on the platform and they buy a renting machine, you can also release 3% of the 3% of your NFC from their top up amount. So if your friend rents a machine of for 4,000 naira, you can release your NFC by the amount of 3% of 4,000. If your referral buys for 16,000, buys a 16,000 ad machine, then you can release your NFC to an amount worth 3% of 16,000. Then because the NFC project has not been launched yet on the platform, so when they launch their projects, which they said it's come August, then all total NFCs is going to be released by the platform. So now on how to withdraw your NFC and how to sell your NFC to the platform, let me quickly show you guys how to go about that. So this is a new account I just logged into. Let me quickly show you guys how to release your NFC and sell. So this is one of my referral accounts. He he's activated on the free machine. So this is your A level machine. He hasn't bought any machine yet. So whatever he's earning is from the free machine the platform gives to you when you sign up. So this is his locked NFC, and this is 66 naira available for release. Now you see his account balance is 1,000. So to release, let's sell. You can sell to the institution. Let's click on that. So one NFC 1.1 naira, but the minimum NFC here you can sell is 600,000, which we don't have up to that. So we are going to cancel and we are going to click on sell to the platform. So when you click on sell to the platform, here you can sell any amount of NFC. So let's click on confirm, click sell. Now immediately you can see this is 0 and this is 1,666.97. So I've immediately sold my NFC to the platform and it's reflected in my account balance. So that is that. Is there anything else I need to show you? Well, this is where you can get your withdrawal, your referral link to invite your friends to join the platform. You can share on social media, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, it doesn't matter. So one last thing I would like to add before we conclude the video is about your cash coupons. So your cash coupons here are, let me say, they are like bonuses that you earn for via referrals. So let me say, for instance, when you have a referral, and the referral pays the referral rents a machine for say 16,000. Now, you after getting your own referral bonus, let me show you guys. After getting your own referral bonus, you are also liable to earn a cash coupon of a certain amount. Now, the essence of that cash coupon, it's for you to, when you want to buy another ad machine, it's like a discount coupon for you when you are buying a new ad machine, or you have a new subscriber that wants to purchase an ad machine. You can give him that cash coupon, so that will serve as a discount for him to make that purchase. So also, you can also top up your friends here. So if you want to subscribe for your friend, or you want to fund him, you can also do that through these options here. And you can see membership system, you see your referral. This is how it is, your level, where you are at, your incentive, and account details is going to show you an overview of all your transactions so far. So this is it. This is all my earnings every day. This is my withdrawal minutes ago. My withdrawal service charge. This is my NFC that I sold before withdrawing, and I think that is all. This is my withdrawal record, top up record. It's here, and so you want to change your password, you can do it here. Your advertising revenue. So this is where you see your machines and how much you can accumulate. So this is how much I've earned in total, and this is how much I've earned, how much NFCs that I've earned in total. So with all that said, I think this is your team, where you see your referrals. This is your referral links, and so I think that is all. That is that. If you want to top up, you can top up here, and if you want to withdraw, you can withdraw through this place. This is frequently asked questions. You have questions that people usually ask on the platform. You can see, you can go through them. So that is that. That is all about the platform. If there's any new updates on the platform, I'm going to do a new video to let you guys know about it. So meanwhile, if you haven't registered and you are still waiting on for people are cashing out. That's what I would say. People are cashing out. People are making money from this platform. So if you snooze, you lose. You are waiting out, you lose. So just register and start earning. Rent an ad machine and start clicking your ads and start cashing out. And if you don't have enough funds to rent an ad machine for now, you can still register and claim their free free ad machine, and you can start earning for free until you are eligible to cash out. So we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel with your friends and everyone you know, and hit the notification button so that when we have more videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. So thank you, and you all